I'm sitting in a 17 Kia Optima Prox. We have a brand new Prox here. Our Prox has been lost, so we're going to program this Prox. Here we go. Kia Optima. Key coding 17. Smart key 1. Turn the hazards on. Put our pin code in. Okay. And what we're going to do is we're going to press OK. And we're going to take the fob and push in on the start button and hold it. And it should program the Prox. Here we go. Programming complete. No more keys. We're done. That should be it. One key programmed. Our OBD 2 ports covered up on a little cover right here just pops off. Unplug it. Turn our signals off. Let's see what happens here. Works. Put my foot on the brake. Start button. And it starts up. We are done.